to show you how to make banana blueberry cookies out of the fiber from your walnut milk. Here are the blueberry, elderberry, banana, walnut Seamoss cookies. When you strain your walnut milk, you catch the fiber in this nut milk bag. Basically, this is it right here. So we catch all of this, and instead of throwing it out, we could use it. Let's use it to make cookies. So you can do anything that you want. We're just gonna use a half a cup spelt flour. All right, it's the spelt flour that we're using. Use coconut sugar, and you want to put Seamoss gel in there to bind everything together. Starting off half a cup spelt flour. I would normally just do a half a cup of coconut sugar, but I'm making this for somebody who cannot take the sugar, who cannot take the sweetness. So we're just going to do a 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup of coconut sugar. Right, 1/4 cup coconut sugar. If you don't add the sugar, it's gonna be super bland. I just don't like it, but you may like it. This is all up for you to try. Experiments. We got a half teaspoon of sea salt. Now get your Seamoss gel out. The Seamoss gel that you want to use should be unflavored. If you need this, it's on my website, naturallyreverse.net, unflavored Seamoss gel. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of the Seamoss gel. Okay. Chopped walnuts in there. Might be a little strange. I've never tried this before, but we're gonna put a little bit of elderberries in there. Fresh, live elderberries. Right, just a little layer of them. Not too much, just here and there. You wanna grab 1 banana? Just mash that banana up. Okay, grab a fork, mash it up, and then put it in here. Right, that's it. The only thing that this needs is blueberries, so I'm gonna add that right now. A handful of these guys. All right, mix that all up. Put them in there. Get your unbleached parchment paper out, and then just rip a few little balls out of here, and that's basically it. You know what I do? I like push up and down with my fingers, my left fingers, like that, and then I just create a circle going like this, so it ends up looking like that. Do that for all of them. You could either make flat cookies, whatever your preference is, it don't matter. Make them as small as you want, as big as you want. All up to you. There's no right or wrong way when you're creating your own masterpiece, all right? Remember that. If anybody's like, ooh, that's not the right way to do it, I don't care what you think, bruh. I don't care. Because this is how I do it. This is how I like it. You know, you got to do the things that you love. All right. Some amazing stuff right here. These freaking things looking amazing. Filled with blueberries and bananas, walnuts, elderberries. Jeez. I need to sell these friggin' things. Bring them to the food store and friggin' be like, yeah, you need to start selling these. Like, yeah. Right. 2 more to go. Maybe 3. That's good. Made 9 cookies. There. Make this last one a little bigger. There we go. Okay. That's it right there. Now we about to put it in the oven. That dough, that thing tastes amazing. It tastes amazing, not even cooked yet. Like, for real. This is how they look uncooked, and we're about to show you how they looked cooked. Let's go over here. Let's place it in this oven. All right, there we go. We're gonna put time up 20 minutes. Let's put this back up all the way up to 400. All right, there we go. These are the elderberry, banana, blueberry, walnut cookies right here, made from the walnut fiber. And that's basically it. The blueberry, elderberry, banana, walnut, Seamoss. There they are right there. All right, there they are.